Today, Microsoft announced Windows 11. It will be a free upgrade for existing Windows 10 users. They have updated the minimum hardware requirements, which you can manually check for, or you can use their tool to automatically check. I recommend using the tool because it will also check for TPM 2.0 and other things. But here are the requirements if you want to manually check. To install the tool, go to the link in the description. It will take you to Microsoft's webpage for Windows 11. Scroll almost all the way down and press the Download App button. Once the tool has finished downloading, open the installer and follow any instructions. The tool should automatically open after you've installed, but if it doesn't, just search for PC Health Check in your apps. Once it has opened, press the Check Now button and give it a few seconds. If you see the same dialog as me, you're good to go and you will be able to install Windows 11 once it becomes available. If you see something else, it means your computer isn't meeting one or more of the requirements. Fortunately, you will still receive Windows 10 updates.
Modern, fresh, clean, beautiful. The Windows that brings you closer to the things you love. Keyboard, touch, voice, mouse, pen, they all come to life to help Windows adapt to you.